Carbon monoxide poisoning at a daycare sent several kids to the hospital in Kittery, Maine. Fortunately, tonight, doctors say they are all okay. But as WBZ's Tammy Mutasa shows us, this was a dangerous situation and a powerful reminder.
Tonight, you can just imagine how frightening it was for parents to get a call that their children were exposed to dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. 27 children and 10 staff members were inside the daycare at the time, and luckily everyone is expected to be okay.
Possible carbon monoxide poisoning in Kittery at 1 of Route 236. It is a daycare. As many ambulances as possible.
Scary moments inside Building Blocks daycare when a rash of children started feeling dizzy and nauseous. First responders say it was a carbon monoxide emergency where levels reached 10 times the acceptable level in the building.
We found children that were complaining of nausea and headaches, and so at that point we had a confirmed CO incident.
7 children were rushed to Portsmouth Regional Hospital in ambulances, and 4 adults took themselves to the emergency room.
It's unfortunate that children are involved, but they're getting the highest level that we can possibly provide them.
Portsmouth Regional Hospital EMS Director Dr. Grossman treated the patients.
Anytime we're dealing with a pediatric emergency with multiple kids that are sick or ill, in this case, you always get a little bit nervous.
He says given the exposure levels, the patients are lucky they called for help fast.
Carbon monoxide can be fatal if it's not treated right away, if it's not recognized right away.
We did some digging. A state inspection shows as of last August, the daycare had a working carbon monoxide detector inside. The fire marshal says they're trying to figure out if it's still working and where the leak came from.
We intend to be here throughout the night. It's going to be a long time. We have a lot of questions that you all may have that we don't have the answers to right now. And we intend to, do our best to find those answers.
And from a situation like this, an important reminder about detectors.
It's an unfortunate set of circumstances, but it is a good opportunity to remind folks the importance of carbon monoxide detectors.
Investigators say the daycare will likely have to stay closed tomorrow as the investigation continues. In Kittery, Maine, Tammy Mutasa, WBZ News.
Tammy, thank you. There is